Welcome to KFC. What can I get for you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I'd like to order some food for my family.
Wonderful. Are you looking for individual meals or our family buckets?
I think a family bucket would be best. What options do you have?
We have the 8-piece, 12-piece, and 16-piece family buckets.
Let's go with the 12-piece family bucket, please.
Great choice. Would you like original recipe, hot and spicy, or a mix of both?
Can we do half original recipe and half hot and spicy?
Yes, absolutely. That will be 6 pieces of original and 6 pieces of hot and spicy.
Perfect. Does the bucket come with any sides?
The standard bucket comes with 2 large mashed potatoes and 1 large coleslaw.
Oh, my kids don't really like coleslaw. Can I change it to something else?
Of course, you can swap the coleslaw for large French fries or extra mashed potatoes.
I'll swap it for large French fries, please.
Got it. So that's 2 mashed potatoes and 1 large French fries.
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Would you like any gravy with the mashed potatoes?
Yes, please. A lot of gravy. My family loves it.
No problem. I'll make sure to add extra gravy containers for you.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Would you like to add any burgers or wraps to your order?
Let me think. What is your best-selling burger?
Our Zinger Burger is the most popular. It has a crispy, spicy chicken fillet.
That sounds delicious. Let's add 2 Zinger burgers, please.
Sure thing. 2 Zinger Burgers added. Would you like cheese in them?
Yes, please. Add cheese to both of them.
Perfect. What about drinks? The bucket meal includes a large bottle of soda.
Oh, great. What choices of soda do you have?
We have Pepsi, 7-Up, Mirinda Orange, and Mountain Dew.
We'll take the Pepsi, please.
1 large bottle of Pepsi. Got it. Anything else for dessert?
Do you still have the Portuguese egg tarts available?
Yes, we do. They are freshly baked and still warm.
Awesome. Can I get a box of 4 egg tarts, please?
Sure. A box of 4 egg tarts added. Is there anything else you need?
I think that's everything for the food.
All right. Would you like any extra dipping sauces like barbecue, sweet chili, or honey mustard?
Yes. Can I have 2 barbecue sauces and 2 sweet chili sauces?
Yes, we can definitely do that for you.
Are those sauces free or do they cost extra?
The first 2 are free with the bucket, and the other 2 will be 50 cents each.
That's completely fine. Please add them.
Wonderful. Is this order for here or to go?
It's to go, please. Everything needs to be cocked.
Okay, taking away. Let me review your order to make sure everything is correct.
Sure, please go ahead.
You have a 12-piece mix bucket, 2 mashed potatoes, 1 large fries, 2 Zinger burgers with cheese, a large Pepsi, a box of 4 egg tarts, and 4 sauces. Is that correct?
Yes, that is exactly what I ordered.
Perfect. Your total comes to $45.50.
Okay, can I pay using my credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards. You can tap your card on the machine here.
Okay, let me tap it. Did it go through?
Yes, it's approved. Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. How long will it take to prepare?
Since we have to pack the bucket and fresh burgers, it will take about 7 to 10 minutes.
That's fine. I can wait.
Please take a seat and we will call your order number, which is 145.
All right, thank you very much.
After a few minutes, order number 145 is ready for pickup.
Oh, that was fast. Here is my receipt.
Here is your big box of chicken, the burgers, and your large Pepsi.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
Thank you for waiting. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the meal with your family.
Thank you. You have a great day too. Goodbye.